loving this copper colored hair change with the beautiful layers. It does feature some curtain bangs going there to frame out the face, but this color is just absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful hairstyle idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So moving on to look number 2, the stylist does a shaven section. It looks like she's mixing in some color. Wow, gorgeous pixie undercut style. This one does feature the very popular asymmetrical shape. Wow, this is beautiful. The color, the cut. Very nice transformation. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone rocking out a really pretty pink pixie. Very unique color and shade. So this is how she started off with this longer hair. She then moved into a bob. Then the stylist cut it into a pixie. And then, bam, she mixed it up with this pink. Very cute. And I love the fact that she likes to have fun with her hair, experimenting and just trying something new. Next up, we have someone rocking their natural gray. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. She does have a beautiful natural curly texture. It looks like the stylist is doing a really pretty curly pixie style. Oh, very nice. And this is a very cute, low maintenance hair option. She can pretty much just wash and go with this particular cut. Very nice, easy, carefree style idea. So it looks like we have a birthday makeover here. I love watching these. If you ever want to know a good idea to do something for your birthday, getting a makeover is great. Personally, I love to go and get a massage, get a facial, and you can also throw getting your hair done in the mix as well. So it looks like she got some nice layers. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face. Nice way to shake things up and have a little self-care moment. Next up, we see someone with red, chestnut red, mid-length hair. So it looks like she's going to be cutting quite a bit of hair off here. Ooh, very nice bob makeover. And the color does look to be a little bit more blonde versus red, which is a nice in-between shade of blonde and brunette. Very cute hairstyle. Alright, so it looks like we have a pixie transformation for the next one.